Ooh, the drum machine?
You ready?
Ooh, yeah.
Through. In 2 weeks, it's unbelievable. Gosh, so maybe some of the incentives are good.
It works
but,
now. Just as we suspected, it was backfeeding power.
Yep.
Fresh for everyone.
And now it works.
Hey, Carrie. Oh, is that a new phone?
Yeah, I just got it at T-Mobile.
Or visit online
I just wish I could remember how to get it to Bluetooth.
For pickup in store
You did
or
some magic to
curbside.
do it. Would you check your Bluetooth connection?
Yeah. I'm
Basketball is my game, but there's one thing we
because I'm connected to it.
Pizza!
If you need to satisfy that
Oh, you'll know it when you hear it.
Probably. It just went out. Oh no, that's green. Oh, it's trying to find a radio.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've reached the end of the line.
Where's Bluetooth?
For the San Francisco 40.
Ooh,
Good song.
good song. Hold on, let me look at the paperwork. Bluetooth. Connect. Enter pairing. Press and hold. Oh,
Press and hold what?
the center one. Here, hold on.
Penalty box.
Wait.
Welcoming California Organic Recycling Law, SB 1383. Your friends at the City of La Quinta want to share a few tips. Tossing
Not
food
connected.
scraps such as
Media
eggshells and
control,
coffee
phone
grind.
control. Hang up.
USF this past weekend has earned the opportunity to be the quarterback moving forward. Nick Saban told reporters on Monday. Again, Alabama will play.
This is horrible instructions. Beautiful radio, horrible instructions. Okay, Bluetooth. To connect your phone, it must first be paired to the radio.
Okay, let me make sure that I'm paired. Hold on. Could
Search
be
for
me.
devices. Turn your radio on.
No, I'm connected.
Okay, stereo indicator will turn. Tune to the low end of the dial in any band. Okay, so let me do it. I'm doing tuning. 6 years later, because it's 49 miles of knob.
Wait.
Is that you? Yep, there you are, blue. Is that you?
Yep. Well, pause. Hold on.
There you go.
All right, so if we're going to test this, let's get something that's actually worth hearing on here.
Baby, let me love you down.
Ready?
Sure. Ooh.
That's a hell of a lot better to listen to for a test than anything else.
And I can change the tone.
Okay.
All right. Tim, you're in. That thing's gonna blow itself out.
Yeah, because it's got way too much power for that itty bitty speaker.
Yeah. But it's working on Bluetooth.
It's there for.
Okay, Bluetooth's all the way over. I'll try to get with Tim this week and get his phone paired to get it ready to go for him.
Because it took me 2 seconds to pair to it. Boom,
Yeah.
Done. All you do is look for it to show up. Bing.
Yep, bing, bang, boom.
Your spirit lives within.
Town Center Way or go to goodfeet.com.
Look.
Resist Vecna's gruesome curse as you take on Stranger Things 4 at Universal's Halloween Horror Nights. Select night, September 7th.
Come on.
Know about you, but I am planning to scream and...
All right, well.
Auto sale is going on now at La Quinta Chevrolet.
And
we have our large
off. I turned it back on.
Oh, good fucking song. Okay, this goes with you.
Yep.
I'm getting everything out of the car. I'm gonna put this back this way.
Yep.
I've come to talk with you
It works.
because we've